Welcome to Blackwood Lloydmon's brother Roxas and his mini-series on reviews. Today we are reviewing Sony's PSP. Well, the first thing I'd like to say about it is just look at it. It's amazing. Well, now we turn the thing on and look at that. The first thing I'd like to point out is, well, I'm going to turn off the effects so you can see it better. See? The first thing I like about it is it's got my game. Well, I can put my games. I can save crap. Second thing I like about it, I can go on the internet. I can also go on the PlayStation now, get some cool crap off that. It can hold my videos. It got a file. I got my Angry Video Game Nerd and Nostalgia Critic, Crazy Files, Kingdom Hearts, my Megas, my Sonic stuff, my TV shows, all that good stuff. I can hold some music. I'm not really a big music fan, but I do have my selection, and they're on now. I can hold all my pictures, and let me just say, I get a lot of pictures. And you can modify the background and the theme. Right now I have a Kingdom Hearts theme. It's really cool. I got it off the internet. I don't know what it's called, but I congratulate whoever did that. But just, I got all my fun. I got all the stuff. I got my Awesome series. I got my Cartoon Network. I did not make any of these. I only made this video. I congratulate all the people who made all this crap, but I'm rambling. So, all in all, I give the PSP a 5 out of 5. Mainly because it can do all my Kingdom Hearts stuff. But if you have any things you want to know about the PSP, I'm always open to discussion, and I will see if I can find it. But there's only one thing I have. The only problem I have with it is that you need custom firmware to do a lot of the crap, and it's just not worth it. So I don't have custom firmware, so if you want some free games, well then I can't help you out. But anything else, I'll see what I can do. So there I am. This was Roxas on Blackwood Lloydmon. If there is anything else you would like reviewed, please comment, and we will see what we can do. This has been Blackwood Lloydmon's brother Roxas with his reviews.